Okay, everybody, this is gonna be a how-to video, how to open up the GameCube little piece on a Wii. What you're gonna do, you're gonna take the Wii, this little area, you'll see it. There'll be a little part right there. Put your finger in there, it pops right open to reveal the instructions how to open this little part. Well, it also tells you how to take these pieces out, like this. That way, you keep it off. And then, same thing goes to here. That's how you open it. As you see, there are many pieces for a GameCube stuff to work. And that's how you do it, everybody. Especially for Desna. Putting it back on is just the hard part. Yeah, there we go. Pop. Well, I'll see you guys another time. Bye-bye.